Back in August, we told you about AutoSavvy, a nationwide used car dealership accused of deceptive practices and fraud in Colorado. Customers told us they bought salvage title cars with undisclosed damage and shoddy repairs, despite promises from the dealership that their cars were fully reconditioned. Well, we're following up tonight after an AutoSavvy customer fought back, and it's official. She won more than $300,000.
Now, other customers are coming forward now, too, saying that AutoSavvy should be held accountable. Denver7 consumer investigative reporter Jacqueline Allen shining a light on this win tonight and why it could affect other car buyers in Colorado.
We don't want to be in the news saying we sell bad vehicles.
When Charly Darnell decided to go undercover at AutoSavvy locations in Colorado,
they have to be rebuilt back to manufacturer specs.
It was the start of a 3.5-year fight.
It's a lot of money.
It is a lot of money.
A fight that is finally over.
It feels final. It's a huge relief to not be worrying about this anymore.
AutoSavvy promotes itself as the nation's largest seller of branded title vehicles, commonly called salvage titles. The dealership promises their vehicles are professionally repaired and pass a 151-point inspection. But after a fender bender in 2022, Charly learned her Dodge Durango had undisclosed damage, repaired in part with zip ties and drywall screws. An arbitrator ultimately agreed, finding AutoSavvy's practices were deceptive and violated the Colorado Consumer Protection Act, awarding Charly more than $313,000.
Did the arbitrator get this right?
I don't think so.
In August, we spoke via Zoom with AutoSavvy's CEO, Brett Parham, who said the dealership would fight the award.
Is it standard practice to have cars held together with drywall and deck screws?
Absolutely not.
Could you do more to make sure your customers have safe cars?
Yeah, I think we need to take some time to review our triple inspection process and see if there's anything else that we can do to make it more thorough and more exacting.
The court records show AutoSavvy tried to get Charly's award vacated. Once again, a judge sided with Charly, and last month, AutoSavvy paid out.
How will this award help you financially?
It's nice because I'm getting close to retirement, and so it just helps a little bit with that. But that wasn't the reason I did it, of course.
I think it just sends a signal that you can't cut corners.
Consumer protection attorney Trent Wallace represented Charly and says this case was about cars not safe to drive. Denver7 Investigates found it wasn't the only case. A 2022 lawsuit alleges undisclosed structural damage, and the company settled. Plus, at least one other case is moving forward in arbitration this month.
You're representing a similar case right now?
That's right. We do have another case ongoing.
This is Jacqueline Allen.
AutoSavvy did not respond to multiple calls and emails about paying out $300,000. But after 3 years of fighting, Charly says she can put this behind her now after she tells other car buyers her story.
I wanted to share the story to warn people. You can see all of those signs. It's just nobody ever put it together until we did.
I'm Jacqueline Allen for Denver7 Investigates.
Jacqueline's our consumer investigative reporter at Denver7, as she and the Investigates team are committed to getting answers and finding solutions for Colorado consumers. If you ever have anything you would like for her and the team to look into, scan the QR code on your screen, or you can email her, jacqueline.allen@denver7.com.